Hey everyone, welcome to Decor and Designs by Ieasha. I just wanted to come on here because I have not come on here in a while and just had a sit down with you all and just talk to you all. So first of all, how is everyone doing? Leave in the comment section and let me know how you're doing, and if you have any plans coming up for the upcoming Easter Sunday or Resurrection Sunday. You know, that is the day that Jesus Christ was raised from the dead, and he is alive and well. All right, and so I just want to come out here just to say hello to everyone, just let you all know what pretty much I have going on, which is not very much. Not very much at all. My daughter and I, we have started a second channel, and it's called Ieasha and Akira's Lifestyle Channel. I will have the link in the description box below, so make sure you go over and check out that channel also. It will be about pretty much my home decor. It will be my daughter doing her braids and makeup and skincare routine, and just a lot of other things that we have going on. You know, on my Decor and Designs by Ieasha channel, that's just really showing my events and the different things that I show you there when it comes to balloons, my tablescapes. And I've always wanted to do another channel to show you all my home decor, because I really didn't want to put my home decor on there with my event channel, because I love my home. Just because I'm an event decorator does not mean I don't love to decorate my home. I still love to decorate my home. And my family and I, we went to Atlanta this past weekend and we had a great time. We needed to just get away because, you know, with the pandemic and everything, we haven't really been going anywhere. So I went shopping and I found some really nice things, because we are redecorating my living room. We're doing the outside area since it's spring. You know, we're adding flowers. My husband have done, he has decorated the tree. He has done like a little brick layer around the tree, and we found some really nice things to go around the tree. And so I just wanted to do a second channel in order to bring those things to you and let you see everything that I've been up to, you know, what my daughter been up to. My daughter loves to do hair. She loves to do her own hair. She loves makeup, and she loves her eyelashes and all those things, and she fixed me up, you know. I like to dress up. I know a lot of times you see me like this. It's my comfortable attire pretty much, but I do dress up, and I wanted to show you the clothes and everything when we buy our clothes, because I love to shop on a budget. So our ceiling fan went out in our home, and during Christmas time, my husband was looking at different ceiling fans, because I've always wanted to go ahead and get another ceiling fan, but I just didn't want anything. I'm the type of person, I'm not just going to go in the store and be like, oh, I want this just because, you know, I need one. So I wanted to make sure I waited on the exact one, the one that really spoke to me, you know. So when my husband showed me this particular ceiling fan that we have now that he purchased for me, I was like, yes, that is it. That's the one. And this particular ceiling fan, I think it was like, the original price was like $350, I think, but it was on sale for, I think my husband paid $130. It was either $130 or $125, something like that. So I told him to go ahead and get it, and it's really, really nice, and I'm going to be showing that to you on our new channel. All right, so that's pretty much it. I just wanted to come on here and just say hello and just see what everyone is doing, and just tell you all about our second channel. Make sure you go and subscribe. I would love to have you a part of our second channel. All right, I have not put any of the banners or the pictures or anything up yet, but it is Ieasha and Akira's Lifestyle Channel. You all have, I just wanted to see what's going on with you all and just let y'all know I'm here, and so grateful for all my subscribers. Thank you so very much. I think I'm at like 733 subscribers right now on my Decor and Designs by Ieasha channel. All right, so make sure you go over and subscribe to my second channel, which is Ieasha and Akira's Lifestyle Channel. And like I said, on that channel you will see more of my home decor, more of my decorations that I do in my home. You will see gardening, you will see yard work, you will see my daughter doing her braids and pretty much lifestyle stuff. All right, we'll have family vlogs. We'll have a lot of things over there that I do not put on my Event Decor and Designs by Ieasha channel. All right, that will be just pretty much for my events and what I do for birthdays and just all those things right there. All right, so I just want to say thank you all so much for watching. I hope that you all have enjoyed this pretty much chit chat video. All right, don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and make sure you subscribe to my channel. If you have not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? All right, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that notification bell so that you will know when I upload new videos here at Event Decor and Designs by Ieasha. And also go over and hit that subscribe button as well as the notification bell at Ieasha and Akira's Lifestyle channel. I will see y'all in my next video.